MPC Sample allows you to add a sidechain effect using the pumper plugin, giving your beats a modern feel. Now to add the pumper, navigate to Knob Effects, selecting the pumper plugin, and then push down on the encoder to load. You can also decide what pads will have the effect on just by pressing the pads, and they will highlight. Any pads that are not highlighted will bypass the effect. And we can also customize the effect by setting the speed rate. So this will decide how fast the sidechaining will go. We have our shape, and then we have our depth amount. So I'm going to go back to sample now so you can hear the effect. And we can customize this with our knobs in real time. Now let's bring this over our beat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode.